Welcome back friends. Is your Samsung phone screen showing stand color a yellow tint or black and white mode? Don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. In this quick guide, I will show you simple beginner friendly step to restore your skin color back to normal in 2026 guide. Let's get your display looking perfect again quickly and safely. First thing first, open the settings menu on your phone. After the settings page is open, scroll down to the very bottom. Here you can find the accessibility option. Click on them to open it. After this page, tap on the vision enhancement option. Within the menu, look for the very top of the screen. Here you can find the display mode option. Make sure you cannot be select any option. After that, scroll down a little. Look for the color inversion option. Tap on it. And if it's turned on your phone, make sure to turn it off. After that, back to the previous screen, go to color correction. Also make sure to color correction also be turned off your phone. Then back again, open the color filter option. If it's on your phone, simply turn off the main toggle button. Once it's turned off, check your phone skin color back to normal. If it doesn't work, don't panic. Back to the main settings menu, scroll down to the very top. Here you can find the display option. Click on them. Within the menu, scroll down again. If you find the eye comfort shield option, click on them. If it's turned on your phone, simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it off. And your color back to normal. After that, simply restart your phone. To do that, long press the power and volume down button on your phone. Then hit the restart button, tap again. And wait to complete the restart process. After your phone back on, check if your problem fixed or not. You can check after that. If your problem is still, don't panic. There are another solution available. To do that, scroll down to the very bottom in the settings page. Go to general management. After that, scroll again, tap on reset. Then scroll again, tap on reset all settings. Then tap on reset settings at the bottom. Verify to enter your password. Confirm by tap on reset. Don't worry, you would not be delete important anything on your photo, video, document. Just only deleted your settings customization option. After you tap on reset, your phone automatically reset everything and you should be back on your phone color normal again. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Samsung tips, Android tutorials and easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.